The Koneksa platform is a SaaS platform where we remotely collect patient-generated data. That data is then used to develop digital biomarkers. On the original platform, we only had infrastructure monitoring. We didn't have any visibility into what our processes were doing.
We were using AWS CloudWatch related metrics, and anytime engineering needed something, they would have to engage us. We would have to go into the logging, basically pull stuff out to them.
Kubernetes observability view is an amazing feature of the platform because it allows us to take this really complex infrastructure that we have and show it to people who don't have familiarity with Kubernetes, and they immediately get it. Today, we're generating about 14,000 APM transactions per minute, which equates to 20 million a day. So when we get an alert about a potential outage or a spike in error from APM, and we're able to see immediately any log correlations, any APM transactions that have a spike in failure, and we're able to troubleshoot that both from the traditional New Relic component as well as the Pixie component, which we've really been loving, the eBPF technology and the live troubleshooting of that. Logs in context is another one of my favorite New Relic features. The Lucene log engine is super fast. A couple weeks ago, I had to search for a very large number of application logs that were spiraling out of control, and Lucene returned 60 million results with a snap of a finger. That was when I was blown away. I was able to drill down into those 60 million results and figure out exactly which transaction was causing the issue in our APM. We could resolve it, me and the engineer, within the span of 20-30 minutes.
Engineering was able to look at logs by themselves without engaging DevOps, and that was one of the biggest wins.
But when we migrated to microservices, we knew that distributed tracing was going to provide us with an infinite amount more visibility than we had in the past. It allows all of our engineers to communicate better with each other. They can ask a service owner if their service is acting abnormally because they're getting a response from a trace that is an anomaly that New Relic is reporting. And it's just overall binding our engineering practices together. New Relic's making my life easier because it's provided a place for engineers to come and collaborate without the kicking and screaming. We're able to get engineers excited to sign in, get them excited to instrument their services, and get them excited to check on them whenever they need to.